Millions of views are coming from simple AI Korean tribute edits right now, and creators are making these videos in just a few minutes using free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you how to create this viral trend using just ChatGPT and Google Flow without complicated editing or advanced skills. So basically, we only need two tools and two prompts for this workflow. One prompt is for generating the Korean tribute style image inside ChatGPT, and the second prompt is for animating that image inside Google Flow. First, copy the ChatGPT prompt from the description. Then open ChatGPT and upload a few photos of yourself using the plus icon. Honestly, the more photos you upload, the better the final result usually looks because the AI gets more references for your face and style. Now, after uploading your photos, simply paste the prompt and send it. Then wait a few seconds while ChatGPT generates the Korean tribute style image for you. Once the image is ready, click on it, open it properly, and download it using the top right download button. Now open Google Flow and create a new project. Go to the video generation section and upload the image that ChatGPT created. Next, copy the Google Flow animation prompt from the description and paste it into the prompt section inside Flow. This prompt controls the cinematic movement, lighting, and overall Korean tribute animation style. Now choose your preferred quality settings. Personally, 1080p looks best for TikTok and Instagram Reels, but 720p works well too if you want faster generations or longer clips. Once everything is ready, click generate and wait a few minutes while the AI creates the final video. And honestly, this is why this trend is going viral right now, because the final result looks like a professionally edited Korean fan tribute, even though the whole thing was made using AI in just a few minutes. After the video is generated, preview it, download it to your device, and upload it directly to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And that's basically the full workflow. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI trends and viral content tutorials.